Hi folks, it's me again, Waldo. Today we are packing and loading a portable container, a container called pack rat. We will be loading the container, packing and puzzling the items as tight as possible. We already packed, boxed up and wrapped all the items we deem necessary, so it's just a matter of bringing the items inside of the container. We build transversal walls, mixing boxes and furniture, making sure the packing is as tight and as snug as possible to prevent damage during transportation. We position large, heavy items such as armoires against wall of boxes and small pieces of furniture to secure and stabilize them. The crew is very used to the way I do the packing, so our work runs pretty organized and synchronized. This is the 5th time we are serving these customers in what concerns moving, so they are also very used how we work and proceed. All pictures were boxed up accordingly. The furniture was wrapped with multi-layered paper pad and shrink wrap. We now show a little bit of our activity from outside the container. We tie down the last layers to secure the load. If you enjoyed our video, please give us the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like that. And God bless America.